Hey guys, this is Vagabond spraypaintart Sunny. Today I'm gonna show you how to paint a shooting star. That's right, this is what we did last time. Looks different, huh? Shooting star is like spice. Give a little accent to your work and also make people surprised while performing. Very easy and it has a nice effect. Now you're gonna learn this, don't you? Let's do it. Just follow me. Alright, at first we need a special tool for making shooting star. So I'm gonna show you how to make it, okay? Making a shooting star. Sound cool, huh? Okay, bring a piece of paper. And this paper should be thick. If you have thin paper, like magazine paper, it's hard to have a nice shape of shooting star, okay? So simply just bring the same paper as you paint galaxy on last time, okay? And then tear like 10 centimeters of the paper. Then we want to use this straight line, so fold this into a half, but we don't want to make it fully folded, okay? Because we can open the upper half later. So just lightly fold, not fully like press like this, okay? Only lower half. Then it's still kind of too big, so cut off like 1/3, just like this, okay? And this is the tool for shooting star. And then we like aim inside this, okay? Spray into inside, okay? But it's still kind of hard to aim at inside, so we just open here to make it easier. So that's why we didn't fold here. If you fold, like fully fold, it's hard, okay? Then we can just simply do with black, but we are painting galaxy, right? So let's make white shooting star, and we've never seen a black shooting star, right? Okay, just hold this paper with these 3 fingers, and then on the bottom, then keep it really close to the surface. Just, oh shit, just like this close. If you touch it, you'll have unnecessary lines like this, so don't touch it, but really close, as close as you can. Then spray inside. This is just like a sign, okay? So you aim here, just like this, okay? Spray a little bit into it, and you'll have a shooting star. It's easy, okay? And the shape of shooting star depending on how you hold it. So if you like hold, like you can like keep it open, hold lightly, you have big shooting star. If you hold tight, you have smaller shooting star like this. It just depends on you, like what kind of shape you want. Alright, and this is one way of shooting star. And then I'm going to show you another one. Okay, hold spray paint upside down and press it. That's it. It's easy, huh? But look, if you lean too much, like put it like closer to the paper, like this, you'll have too much paint on it and it doesn't look good, and it's gonna even drop down. So just keep it not too close to the paper and then press a little bit. Okay, that's all. So let's paint on real galaxy, which we did last time. Okay, anywhere you want, like over here, like some big one, or towards the light, some small ones. Or you can even try this upside down one. Over here. That's it. It's easy, huh? I guess at first your hand will be shaking, but if you practice a lot and get it, you'll have a nice effect. Okay, that's all for today. Alright, how was it? It was easy, right? Only using paper in one moment makes shooting star. It's like magic. One tip is to keep this paper really close to the surface. This is the point. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to this channel please. Sometimes I do live streaming. You can see the newest techniques or expressions that I only show on live streaming. So if you subscribe, you get notification. You won't miss it and don't miss it. And also my Instagram and Twitter accounts are below. If you follow, you'll see my other works. Okay, thanks again and see you definitely in the next video. Bye. Sometimes I do live streaming. You can see